Welcome back to Norm's Custom Sawing. Today we're enjoying the beautiful day. We're cutting some walnut all into 4/4. And as you can tell, I got a couple of people around here helping me out, and it was pretty nice. I didn't have to take any lumber off, and which was kind of hard on my back. I mean, standing in one place for that long, I'm used to being all over the place. And but we ended up with over 2,500 board feet of 4/4 today in about 7 hours, and it turned out really nice. I couldn't believe how many band blades I went through, but I was used to my 1,400 that I had, where you only went through about 3 band blades a day, and but you only did about maybe 1,000 board feet if you're lucky. And here I'm doing over 2,500 at 4/4. And so here I'm just showing you a little bit about the board return, and you can see later in the video I'll have the video on the back of the mill, the back side of it. You can see it coming off, and they don't hesitate. As soon as that board is ready to come off, they're grabbing it, and I'm pulling it back. And yeah, I just hope you enjoy the video, and I'll have some more on here of more videos coming up. And this one here worked out pretty good, and have beautiful wood to work with. The walnut were nice. I had some bigger walnut on before this here, but I didn't video right away. Here we are on the back side, and you can see how I'm getting everything lined up. And they're over here pulling these flitches off right away. Like you see, there's no hesitation. I'm turning the log, and this board return works pretty good if you have somebody there grabbing them right away. And so with this Timber King 2020, I can get through lumber pretty quickly. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this video, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.